Do you ever wish you can add more information to your data without the need to re-index? Let's do that in just a few minutes with runtime fields. In this video, we'll go over what runtime fields are, how to use them, and how to create them. We'll start with what they are. Runtime field is a field that's evaluated at query time. They let you add information over your existing data. This is helpful for many things. For example, layering additional values to your data so you can create filters unique to your organization. With runtime fields, you can enrich your data with fields that are not automatically captured by Bimbeats. Let's see them in action. This is our out-of-the-box model traffic light metrics dashboard. It's great, but say you are a large organization and you're only interested in Revit projects within your office location. You can create a runtime field for user.office and filter the data by that value. So in this example, we can filter the data just for projects in Brisbane. And now it's going to query through our data and show us only results from the Brisbane office. Let's go ahead and make our own. First, we'll need to go under Management. And then in Management, we'll click on Data Views. We'll search for the data view in which we want to create a runtime field. In this case, let's make one for Revit event. And we'll simply click on the top right where it says Add Field. We'll give our runtime field a name, user.office. We'll keep the type to keyword because we're going to assign a keyword value to this. And we're going to click on Set Value here. Here is where you type in the runtime field script. Runtime field uses the painless language, but we're not going to get into writing a script from scratch. We've actually created a web-based tool where you can create a list of values and it'll automatically create the runtime script for you. You can find the link to that resource below. So in this case, all I have to do is choose a file. I'll select the CSV file that includes two columns. The first column is the user.name field as they exist in my Elastic database, and the second column is the office location value I want to assign to that list. We now automatically have the runtime field script. Let's go ahead and copy it. And we'll go back to Kibana. Here, we can simply paste the script. And right away, under the preview, we can test that it's working. So now you can see that the user.office value is being assigned. We can test multiple other points to ensure that it's working properly. Simply save it. And you're set. If we now go to Discover, now in the Revit event index, you'll notice that our user.office field is created. And we can filter information to show that value. This is only scratching the surface of what you can do with runtime fields. But in short, you can enrich your data quickly to create visualizations unique to your organization's need. If you have any questions, or you want to learn more, or just want to share some ideas, please talk with us to our forum. Link below. Have a good one.